Now, I think what we all know that we could use right now is some major moisture.
Meteorologist Mike Nelson will probably tell us this as he joins us on this Weather Action Day. Mike, what are we seeing behind you?
Well, that is again back down there in Alamosa. I just want to share with you, this is a live shot from our Viero camera down there. Just an awful, dusty, windy day across the San Luis Valley and all across Colorado. So that's down there, and this is in time lapse up here. You can see the camera out at Denver City Park bouncing around and the clouds streaming in ahead of a storm system that's rolling through the state as we speak. So those winds are just screaming from the south at 40 to 50 miles per hour in many cases across the eastern plains. Look at that, 63 miles per hour right now out at Akron. So this storm is just packing a whole lot of wind. Temperatures are warm, and they'll stay warm into this evening until a cold front comes by closer to midnight. As far as today, it was a record-setting day. 89, beating the old mark of 88 set in 89, and 21 is the record low in 2013. Our low this morning was at 51. The averages this time of year are 62 and 35. And right now we are at 80 downtown and 83 out at the airport. The barometer dropping like a rock in advance of this storm system. Winds are out of the south at 35. The dew point is 8 and the relative humidity is 6%. Windy, hot, dry. That is a bad combination as far as fire danger. So here's the situation. Strong low pressure system up in Wyoming, cold front cutting into western Colorado, severe thunderstorm watches just off to the east of us, and hot and windy conditions in advance of the storm. Rain and storms to the north, some snow back to the west. But we're in the wrong spot of this storm to get the bulk of the moisture. That's going to be off to the north of us, although the mountains will manage to get some snow out of it tonight and again tomorrow and early Sunday. Will be dry and windy on the plains as that front goes by. So by morning, temperatures are colder in the low 40s for Denver, Greeley, Fort Collins, 37 at Lyman, and in the mountains mostly in the 20s to low 30s, with readings dropping off into the upper 20s around Winter Park, low 20s at Keystone by morning, but 40s on the plains. So snow and wind in the mountains by early tomorrow. Windy but dry on the plains. There will be some scattered showers developing on the plains in the afternoon. A windy, cool day, and by late in the day, just a little bit of shower activity. But most of the moisture stays in the high country with this one. But at least the temperatures are lower, in the mid-50s to low 60s tomorrow, and just staying in the 30s up in the mountains. Statewide tomorrow, still some 70s over southeastern Colorado, but that cooler air certainly coming in. A few showers around. The snow is in the mountains. And there's a weak air of low pressure that's going to move through again into Sunday. So that's going to keep us with a chance of some showers, maybe even a little bit of snow down on the south side of the metro above around 6,500 feet. By Monday, it's cool and dry. By Tuesday, in the middle of next week, warm and dry weather returns. So the 7-day forecast, tomorrow's 55, windy, cooler, a couple of scattered showers, some showers possible Sunday, maybe a little bit of snow in some of the higher elevations west and south of downtown. By Monday, it's 62. Let's take a look at what we're seeing on that snowfall forecast. You see there's a hint of it Saturday and Sunday down over the south. I think it might be a little overstated for Castle Rock and Kiowa, but we'll keep an eye on it. Then by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the warmer weather comes in on the 7 to 10-day forecast. Not good news. Warmer and drier than average conditions coming up. So anywhere we can squeeze a little bit of moisture out of this will be a great thing. But long-range forecast does not look all that good as far as significant moisture. Stay with us. We'll be right back.